Simple, everyday, easy meals. Slow cook sensations take a long time to cook, but very little work. Crowd-pleasing feasts. Recipes that relieve the stress of the kitchen and evoke the tastes and comfort of home. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cooking my date steak. What this is a steak tagliata. It is a Italian style of steak. It just simply means that it's finely cut. So I will be making one steak, feed two people. So I'm going to get my griddle on first. So you want to heat this up, it needs to be very hot. You can of course use a heavy base pan or whatever you've got. So I'm going to get a little work done on my steak. So I just want to season it well with salt and pepper. Turn that over and give the other side the same treatment. Now, I never add the oil to the pan I'm cooking my steak in. I put it onto the steak because it would just heat up too much and fill the house with smoke, and nobody wants that. So, just a little drizzle, you don't need very much. Just massage that all in. And again. So I'll just have a quick hand wash. So my griddle's heated up now, so I can add my steak. I'm just going to give it a couple of minutes each side. And so my steak is also going to get a bit of a marinade, but it's going to be marinated after it's cooked, and then the marinade is going to be my dressing for my salad. So for this, I just want to add a little extra virgin olive oil to a bowl, some balsamic vinegar. This is great, this will really bring the flavour out of the steak. It's quite important to have something acidic with your steak, it really heightens the flavour. Lemon juice, anything like that, perfect. Some salt. A little bit of thyme. This is my absolute favourite herb. You could use this fresh or dried, is perfect. And I'm also going to have a little heat with some dried chili flakes. That's a quick mix together. So I can just set aside for a moment whilst I get on with having some tomatoes. Enough, I feel. The steak's ready for turning. I'm just going to set my tomatoes into the marinade as well. They will add some of their flavour and also take on some of the flavour. I'm just going around the outside because I will be adding I want to leave enough room for my steak, which will be going into this as well. Perfect. So my steak has had its time on the griddle, so I'm going to just take that off and drop it right into the marinade. So again, just like the tomatoes, some of the juices of the steak will run into the marinade, and the marinade will also flavour the steak, so it's all good. So when you're having steak, you have to have chips, but this is my version because these are chips. So add a little oil to the pan. So instead of having traditional chips, this is what I'm going to do. I have some potatoes that I've just steamed here. I'm just going to tip them into this pan. and let them go golden brown. Really crisp up and go golden along the edges. So I can work away there. My steak is ready to be turned. Give that a little smoosh it out. So, it all smells great already. So the steak's had its time in the marinade, so I'll just remove that. And that can sit there for a moment. I have some rocket, which I am just going to add to the bowl. A messy tangle of it. Grab myself a plate. So I'm just going to turn everything in the dressing. And then just strew messily on a plate. And let those tomatoes just fall as they do. And I just want to now thinly slice my steak very easy. I like my steak very underdone, as you can see. And then I'm just going to drop this onto the plate. I like to cut it sort of at a diagonal, but cut it however you like. Gorgeous. Strew your steak. So this is very low effort, but doesn't look it. A bit of a tidy up just while I'm waiting on my potatoes. And I'll just turn them in the pan. And they're almost ready as well. So my potatoes are done, and they're going to get their treatment now just as the steak did. So for my potatoes, I want some oregano, good sprinkling, salt, I'm using some garlic granules here. You could use a little garlic oil, or you could mince some garlic directly in here, it's just easy. And then, just to finish them off, a little aromat. It's a fantastic seasoning. So again, about a teaspoon of this directly on the potatoes, and it's just fantastic. Give everything a bit of a toss about. And that's it. So you can really have this feast, this impressive feast done in no time at all, really. And now I'm going to take myself a large helping of each. I'm very much looking forward to this. so good. It's really a great combination. You have the pepperiness of the rocket, the sweetness of the tomato, the intense savouriness of the potatoes and the thyme and all the herbs. Everything just brings it all together. It's so good. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. And please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Thanks for watching.